Hello, welcome to Arper Tutorials. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to long name on Facebook. Just follow my steps. Open your Facebook first. Make sure na yung Facebook na app ang gagamitin at hindi F-Lite. Open Facebook app and go to your profile. Here makikita niyo yung nasa taas banda yung may red. Click niyo yun. PS, hindi lahat ang account may ganiton. Featured kaya hindi lahat kayang mag-long name. Now click Create New Profile. Click Get Started. Here pwede ka na mag-create ang long name. Pwede pang mas mahaba ang ilagay niyo, wala na kasi akong maisip kaya di ko na dinagdagan yan din lagay niyo diyan. Pag may green check na, click Continue lang. Continue again. Click Create Profile. Wait lang until matapos. Ayan tapos na, check natin. Long name done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.